Alright, so this is part 2 of our video. In part 1, we made the dough, and now we're going to make a beautiful pizza with this today. So, here we go. Let's get some flour down on our work area. You can see this dough, how nice it is. It's really nicely fluffed up. And the reason that you want to keep your dough in a ball is because you don't want to have it in another kind of form when what we're going to be doing is putting it into a circle as our final product. So a ball is always nice to start out with. So the day before you do your dough, or a few hours before, you can just make sure that you've got a nice ball going on, and then all you have to do is push it out. And you can either do it by hand, or you can do it with a rolling pin. Here I've got a cute little rolling pin, so if you feel that you want to use a rolling pin, just go ahead. Just try to keep it nice and circular, just like that. And this dough smells really, really good because it's had a slow ferment, so it's really, all the flavors have really come together. There we go. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful dough. Alright. If you want really thin crust, you can grab your rolling pin or do it by hand and really roll it out. There we go. So I'm going to leave it like that. That's good, just like that. Alright, I have a very well seasoned pizza pan here. I have just sprayed it with PAM, or use any type of cooking spray. I've sprayed it now, and now I'm just going to take it and get it right on there. There we go. Beautiful. I have some homemade pizza sauce. If you want to know how to make this, check out my channel. I do have that video up on my channel. So there we go. I also have my oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's been preheating now for a good half an hour. I like to have my oven very hot. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get on some nice mozzarella cheese. And I'm just using a block of cheese. So I'll do a little bit of grating on camera. I just got a block of cheese here and a grater. And we're just going to get that on here. So I'll just whip through this. You don't want to see me doing this for another minute or so. So I'll just fast forward through this part here. Okay, that looks great. I've got some pepperoni that I just picked up at the deli, and I just cut it into little cubes. You can leave it in big round circles if you wish. There are no rules. You do anything you wish. I'll just get that on there. There we go. Beautiful. And I also have some fresh green pepper that I just cut up before I started the video today. I'll get that on there. And that's it. So this is ready for the oven. 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to pop that in and I'll pull it out when it's nice and golden brown. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, there we go. So that pizza was in for 8 minutes exactly, 450 degrees. And boy, oh boy, that smells amazing. It's very hot. It just came out. Let's see if I can lift it up and just show you. You can kind of... Oh, that is yummy. Alright, let's cut into our first pizza. Got myself a little pizza cutter here, a little wheel, pizza wheel. And we'll just cut this up. Now, like I was saying, if you want a much thinner crust, just roll your dough out much thinner. I like a nice thick crust like this, so that's why I went that way. But it all depends on what you like. This is thicker. If If you want thinner, just roll it out a little bit more. And there we go. Oh boy, that smells so good. I wish you could smell that. All right. So yesterday I made a total of 2 doughs, and this is the second dough. I just decided to just film a little bit of this. There we go. I did take a few pictures. There we go. I'm going to put the same pepperoni just on one side on this one. Just like that. And green pepper just on one side. And this one here, I did not use the rolling pin at all. So you can see that it has a much larger edge, puffed up edge, which is kind of nice. So there we go. So I'm going to pop this one in the oven now, and I'll show you that in a little while as well. Alright, and here we go. Very hot as well. Just right out of the oven. 8 minutes again. 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. Oh man, that looks good. Look at that. And you can see the nice crust that we have because we didn't actually roll it out with a rolling pin. Ooh, that's hot. And that is beautiful. So there we go. Well, let's just give it a little spin. Ooh, that's hot. That looks yummy. I just wanted to give it a little spin and just show you what it looks like. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.